Have you stared at a page of music and felt like you're reading a secret code? Imagine unlocking the treble clef in just a few minutes. No more guessing, just pure melody. Here's a challenge. Grab a random sheet of music. Can you name the notes on the first measure in under 10 seconds? Most beginners pause and count. Let's fix that. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what makes the treble clef unique, how to name all 5 lines and 4 spaces in seconds, and 2 memory tricks that stick. Hang around until the end because I'm throwing down a 10-second naming challenge that'll test your new skills. So, what makes the treble clef special? It's also called the G clef because it circles around the second line of the staff. That line is always the note G. This clef is used for higher pitched instruments and voices like the violin, flute, or right hand on the piano. If you're reading melody lines or singing the tune, chances are you're looking at the treble clef. Now that you know why it matters, let's break it down. Every treble clef staff has 5 lines. From bottom to top, they spell out E, G, B, D, and F. Think every good boy does fine. Picture a team of friends on a bench. Each friend's initial is a line note. Between those lines lie 4 spaces and they spell the word face. F-A-C-E. So just think of the word face. Simple and hard to forget. Here are some simple tips to remember them faster. Sing along. Hum Every Good Boy Does Fine and face to your favorite tune. This is because linking notes to melody sticks fast. Or you could try holding up your left hand. Thumb is E, pointer G, middle B, ring D, pinky F. Then flip your palm and each valley is F-A-C-E. You can also use Quizlet flashcards to study in short, focused bursts. Picture sight reading a new song without hesitation. Notes flow from page to fingers and you're playing confidently on the first try. That's the power of mastering the treble clef. Here's your new challenge. Pick any line on the staff, don't count, just point, and name that note out loud. Then pick any space and do the same. Do 1 line and 1 space in under 5 seconds. Ready? Point, name, go. How did you do? Is it better than before? If not, you can practice more by picking simple melodies like Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star. Identify each line and space before you play. As you repeat, your brain will link letter to position automatically. You've learned line names, space names, and memory tricks. Tackle that quick challenge again and notice how much faster you're at naming notes. Keep practicing, and the treble clef will feel like second nature. Now that you've watched the video, let's see how much you remember. Head to the link in the description where you'll find Quizlet, content made just for you.